Innovation at Amity University Noida isn't a buzzword. It's a daily practice shaped by real breakthroughs. With 400 plus labs and research centers, 300 plus global research partners, and 81 faculty ranked among the top 2% scientists worldwide, students work on projects funded by DRDO, DST, BRNS, IOSH, and ICMR. Not simulations, but nationally critical research. From nanotube-based sensors, OLED materials, and drug delivery systems, to technologies already transferred to industry, Amity's ecosystem pushes ideas into impact. Across the Amity Innovation Incubator, 100 plus companies have been nurtured, 263 plus patents filed by the incubator for entrepreneurs, and 30 technologies commercialized. With global giants such as Microsoft, LG, Cadence, Delhi Metro, and many more adopting Amity innovations. This is where students don't just study research. They publish it, patent it, build on it, and change what comes next.